Hey yo, how's it going everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of a certain item of what I got. Well, judging from what you saw, this little sticker came with the package for what is in here. Now this is a cool sticker, everybody. Yeah, I ordered this from the site, and then about a couple of weeks later, after November, it's already arrived. What do you know? Whoop-de-doo. Look at that, the DW-5600SMB-4CR, module number 3229. Now, what does that MB stand for? Enough chit-chat, let's take it out of the box. Like, right now, let's take a look. What is in there? Why am I wasting time? Let's open it now. Alrighty, where's the item in question? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where did it at? Here it is, folks. It's right here. It's right here. And let's take it out of there and voila. Super Mario Brothers. G-Shock X Super Mario Brothers. Never mind that. That's a good beat. Here it is. The Casio G-Shock DW-5600SMB. SMB stands for Super Mario Brothers. DW-5600SMB-4CR. Module 3229. Here it is. As Mario was saying in the introduction of the game, here we go! Oh, rad. Amazing packaging, good letterings, and woo, look at this! The manual. Okay, 3229, this is the right one, and there's other two module numbers of 3421 and 3489. In various languages, very important. And, ooh, look at this. Ooh, this is going to be good. If you come across mushrooms who have been turned into bricks or made invisible, they reward you by giving you a power boost. With each boost, Mario changes into a different, more powerful Mario, as shown below. And Soldier of the Turtle Empire, his orders are to find and destroy Mario. Jump on him, and he stops moving for a while. And there he is, Mario. Here it is, written in the box before it. And here's the line, but also Nintendo, 1985. Here we go! Okay, grade 10. Very important warranty card. Here's the piece itself. Wow. And the tag. Yes, 3229. Amazing. Amazing. At the end of this video, you're going to see the backlight, how it is. I'm going to just show you a sneak peek. But at the end of this video, you're going to see it all glow in the dark. Cool textures. Mario, 8 bits. There's the name. Something. Very good texture, gold on side, nothing underneath it. But the case back has something, but we'll get to that very quickly. Good coloration, sticking to the Mario. Very cool. Let's see what's on the buckle. Casio Thailand on the buckle, but hello, this is G-Shock. It's from Japan. And the back case. Oh yeah, watch out for the turtle. And every time he does that, he would lose and would say, "Oh, mamma mia!" Stainless steel case, very good. Not a screw back. Sorry if I said that. There's the full name of the model and the module number right next to it. 1985 Nintendo. After like say 37 years. Coming up will be 38 years. Since 1985, folks. And look at that. There's the turtle shell, colorations, gold letterings on G-Shock protection, ordinary words. And look at that. Super Mario Bros. Casio. Now let's see if it does test screens, if I can try that. Could you do test screens? Yes or no? What's the answer, folks? Depends if you could try at least. Anyways, so anybody a fan of the Mario Brothers, subscribe to the channel to be notified of all new uploads. Never mind. I don't think it does do test screens. I don't think these ever did test screens before. So, nah, I don't care. Okay, you got your alarms. Okay, that, vibrate first, then alarm, and then you can have both. So yeah, I don't think they ever did no alarm signal 1, 2, and 3. Personal favorite of it all, the timer. Okay. Stopwatch. Wait, could it do the split? Nah, I don't think it does. All in all, good texture, good feel. All in all, amazing timepiece from this year. This is the timepiece of the year, folks. So yeah, those who got it, shouts to you all, including my pal G-Shock Go. Shouts to you, man. Also, is anybody excited for 2023 as well? Cool stuff coming around, especially G-Shock celebrating its 40th birthday. Oh yeah. Let me know in the comments down below if you dudes and dudettes of watch collecting and collectors out there and all you young BUCKS's, young bucks, are you excited for it? Let me know. So yeah, folks, let me just pose it with this. Very cool. Pause it, y'all. Very carefully. Oh yeah. So yeah, anybody excited for the 40th anniversary of G-Shock, especially Scarface? It'll be in December since 1983. But yeah, anybody like Nintendos? Let me know, y'all. Alrighty. Enough chit chat. Let's get to the music. Like now, y'all. Here we go. Alright. Alrighty, everyone. With all that out of the way, let's play a musical this year with my friend, with DJ Mustard, Dollar Sign featuring Little Dirk, Durk, with the song My Friend. Enjoy, folks. Well, y'all, do you enjoy the video? You enjoy the review of this product? Also, is anybody excited for Super Mario Brothers movie coming out on April 2023? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you fans of the video game, the characters, the movies? I don't care what anyone says about the 1993 movie. I like it. It's a shame it had student interferences. There were several revisions, in-fight, on-set or off-set. I don't care, man. It's a decent movie. Has a cult following. This and that. I don't care. I like Super Mario Brothers 1993, and I think this one's gonna be very unique in its way. So yeah, it's gonna be all not live action, but 3D animation of some kind. Correct me in the comments down below, folks. So yeah, let's give a shout out to Casio, G-Shock, Super Mario Brothers, Nintendo, and also, folks, 2023, y'all. 40 years since 1983, with the release of the very first G-Shock. April's marking its 40th anniversary, buddy. I wonder what G-Shock and Casio are going to be doing. Hope they bring back some classic piece from the 90s. So yeah, folks. Can't wait to see what's up, y'all. Can't wait to be getting any crazy-esque piece. And put a very kick-ass song from that year. So anyways, y'all. This is Sparky Marky Mark, signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. Happy holidays, everyone. And enjoy Sunday, y'all. Signing off, y'all. Feliz Navidad.